Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we've got something really exciting for all you audio enthusiasts out there. We're going to walk you through the process of installing the legendary Mi Sound and the immersive Dolby Atmos, both ported from the Redmi K40 onto virtually any rooted Android phone. Get ready to elevate your listening experience. Before we dive in, let's quickly go over what you'll need to make this happen. First and foremost, your phone needs to be rooted with either Magisk or Kernel SU installed. If you're not running a MIUI-based ROM, you'll need to have the MIUI Core Magisk module installed. While the UI for Mi Sound might show up on non-MIUI ROMs, please note that its functionality might be limited. Your device needs to be running Android 8 and above. First things first, we highly recommend using Magisk Delta or Kitsune Mask for this process. If you have any other Dolby Magisk modules installed with a different name, make sure to remove them. You don't need to remove it if it has the same name. Go ahead and reboot your phone after removing any conflicting modules. If you're on a non-MIUI ROM, your next step is to install the MIUI Core Magisk module first. Next, install the main Mi Sound and Dolby Atmos module using either the Magisk app, the Kernel SU app, or via recovery if you have Magisk installed. Only if you're using any other audio modification modules, you'll need to install the AML Magisk module. If you're using Kernel SU, remember to disable the unmount modules by default option in the Kernel SU app settings. Finally, reboot your phone one last time, and that's it. Once your phone restarts, you should have both Mi Sound and Dolby Atmos up and running. Remember to check the video description below for all the necessary download links. Let us know in the comments below how this worked out for you and what your favorite audio settings are. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more awesome Android tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.